This is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that goes by the name of Caffeine. So let me quickly get that. Once the app is installed, you gotta obviously launch it. And in here, make sure that the timeout option was set to be infinite or at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally turn it off or close it, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.